Hello! Charis. Pero, so today, kung napapansin naman, parang may iba. Diba? Parang may iba sa camera niya.
Huh?
May iba talaga. Kasi, hindi cellphone ang ginagamit niya na pang film.
Oh my God! Wow!
Cause, I broke mine again. Like, as you can see, nasira yung LCD and for some reasons, natatouch siya ng natatouch and nalalak siya na ng nalalak. Kaya I have 6 hours left.
Have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Takot ko kasi yung mga photos ko baka ma-delete. Anyways, so our agenda for tonight is to draft a resignation letter. Kasi magre-resign ako sa Comelec. Jeez. Magre-resign ako sa Comelec cause secret, pero magre-resign na ako.
If God really listens like your mom says he does, then he better be saving you for our future kids and dogs. I thought we'd be married, 2 pillars firm and proud, but real love is a verb. I get it now.
Kung nagagawa ng college kayo, kaya wag na kayo mag-college.
Hindi na namin
Baka mamaya.
No, it didn't matter. I hope our paths cross again.
So, last day of exams. Oh my gosh, my last day of SLU. Fit check.
If time heals all, it's allowed
Ayoko kung galawin, nilagay ko na yung nandun.
for a half-baked thought.
Nag-encode siya ng one.
Just a I came upon family and thought I was stifled. My freedom in danger.
Uy, lalabas yung balance niya. Wala lang.
You taught me a lot, stretched and wrung and tossed. I'm sorry we got lost. I hope our paths cross again.
Tapos na ang second year.
We'll
Ina ng
try
Econ.
Biyahing third year na kami. Hindi na kami sa amin. Tapos na ang second year.
feel very fine.
Yehey!
Choose ours to rest.
Sana prof ko parang si Ma'am Nora sa pod.
The scars that make
Sabi na na second year is na.
with you shine.
Lutang ako sa last year. Sabi ko, di ko alam kung nakalahati.
Our paths cross again.
Parang hindi pa tapos.
Cross again.
Account ko po yun!
Sorry, offensive item beater.
Kilala natin kung sino yung nag-report.
Offensive item by... Yes!
Ala karami nung ano
iPhone check.
iPhone si Mek iyo dinit.
Anak like...
You're done asking the bar.
Finally, nakauwi na rin ako siya. Akala ko masa-stranded ako. Buti na lang may biyahe pa rin. Yung DDRMC na kanina sa cellphone ko. Tapos, red rainfall na sa Benguet. Lakas ng ulan. Uwi na lang kami dito pero isang kaibigan si Sony. Ito lang sabay kami kasi ang dami kong dalang gamit. Since yun nga magbabalik na ako, ibinaba ko na yung iba kong gamit. Tapos, ang hirap ng dalhin. Tapos ang hirap ng sakay.